All right, got the passenger door on. This one came out a little bit better. Just kind of zoom out. Came out a little bit better than the other one as far as less flaws, but that's because I probably did this one last, I think. But anyway, like I said, man, just 4 years of rest. On take 4 years off or anything, it's gonna show his head. But man, I'm out of breath for some reason. Ain't did shit today. Another short weekend. I had to change the oil in my semi yesterday, and that took about half a day. Had to change the oil grease and everything. That's why I didn't shoot a video till today, but you know, didn't get a whole lot done today. Wasn't really focused, so I was just cut the design in the panels. Like I said, I would wrap them, but I think once I clean up, I probably won't be feeling like it. But let me know what y'all think, man. Like, subscribe, tell a friend, share it to a friend. For some of y'all pros out there, what could I do about this, man? Is there any other little tricks than what I know other than take it off and try it again? But which I'm not in the mood to do that right now. Got too much other stuff to do. But anyway, like, share, subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me if I like it. Let me know if you love it. Tell a friend, tell your mama, tell her aunt, tell your girlfriend, tell your wife, tell your side piece. Tell Jesus, I need some subscribers. Peace.